Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. What are the things that you should do in order to fall in love with your existing job? Many times it happens that we get bored of our current job, maybe because of the monotonous schedule, maybe because of the monotonous kind of work that we are doing. But often we have to remind ourselves time and again that the reason why we are here and also about why this particular kind of job is good for us and also probably how we can improve ourselves and how we can, fall in love with our job back. So in this video, we'll discuss about that in detail. So without a further ado, let's get to the point. The number one thing that you have to do is that you need to start exploring new things in your current job. Maybe you're looking at your existing job with only a unilateral view. Maybe you're looking at a single point from a single point perspective, but now you have to, have maybe a multi-angle view for that same particular job. Maybe the kind of work that you're delivering, you're doing it in the same particular manner, and that's the reason why you also have got bored of it. Maybe you need to try a different style of giving out the output. Maybe you have to try a different style of delivering your content, maybe delivering your final product. Even if you're a coder, maybe you can try a different style. Maybe if you're a graphic designer, you can try a different style of how you can make your work better, and that's how you'll be able to break the monotony. You'll be able to refresh the kind of work that you're delivering, and also in the same way, in a similar manner, you'll be able to refresh yourself as well, and in return, you'll be able to change your entire perspective for the same job, and you'll be able to enjoy the work that you're doing, and so that you'll start feeling happier and grateful about the job that you're having in your hand. The next thing that you can do is that you need to raise your hand and start asking for new responsibilities and new roles. Many times we do not get the right kind of responsibilities in our current office, maybe because our bosses don't have this idea that we are looking for change, we are looking for growth, we are maybe looking for new responsibilities. So many times it is better, it is suggested, it is recommended that you need to ask for what you want, and you need to ask, believe, and you shall receive it. There's a very popular saying. So definitely you should follow this particular angle enough. And also, if at all you are not very happy with the kind of culture that you have in your corporate organization, you can probably be the person who is trying to change it. You can become the person who's leading it from the front, and probably you can introduce some new ideas, maybe how you can encourage your existing employees to also fall in love with their current job, and also you can probably introduce some fun activities, or maybe introduce some kind of development workshop in order to help the existing employees learn some new skills. And also, because you are not the only person who's not enjoying the job, maybe there are a couple of other people in your organization, or maybe more than that, who are not happy with the kind of work that they are doing. So it's always better, it's always recommended, if at all you can bring the change, it's much more better, so that this will actually reflect a very good positive side of yours to your employers, to your bosses, and also they will be able to see a leader in you. And tomorrow, if at all you were always looking for that particular change, or maybe that particular promotion, or maybe that particular hike in your job, you never know, this small little input that you do from your end might end up creating a very good impression in front of your bosses, and they might end up giving you the pay that you wanted, they might end up giving you the designation that you always desired for, and this will eventually help you to become a better version of yourself and help you get growth in your career as well. The next thing that you can do is that you need to explore different kinds of jobs, roles, responsibilities, or maybe departments in your existing organizations. Many times it happens in IT organizations whenever an IT professional, especially a tester or maybe a software engineer, if at all he's not enjoying his current department, if at all he's not enjoying his current team, he is given a chance to switch to any other team, or maybe any other kind of project which will motivate the employee, which will probably encourage the employee. Or maybe if at all you are, suppose you are a front-end developer and you have been given a back-end role, or maybe a back-end development role, but if at all you always wanted to work in front-end, but maybe because while during the allocation of the departments you got into some other kind of department, but now you can always go to your bosses and tell them that I am interested in this kind of work because I have the skill set to do this kind of job better. So if you can give me this kind of role, definitely I'll be able to help you, I'll be able to help the company better, and I'll also be able to be much more productive with my work. For example, if in a radio station, there are several other kinds of departments that are available. There is a programming department, there is a marketing department, there is a sales department, there is a copywriting department, and there is a management department as well, like the HR, etc. So if at all you are a copywriter, and if you think that you have good writing skills and you can become a better presenter, maybe you can become a better RJ, you can always go and talk to your bosses. You can share some ideas, and you never know, you might be given that particular role, and you might also be able to, have a different entire different experience for the same old job that you're doing, and which might end up increasing your pay, which might end up increasing your contribution towards organizational growth, and you might also become that employee which will fetch fortune for the entire company. So definitely this kind of things are encouraged in an organization, provided you have the right kind of bosses and provided you have the right kind of infrastructure in your respective organization. And last but definitely not the least, you need to remind yourself, why are you here? I mean, there must be a reason why you joined this particular job. It might be the pay, it might be the company's portfolio, it might be the company's infrastructure, it might be the company's coffee, it can be anything. So you need to remind yourself, why are you here? You might have thought something when you accepted that offer letter, maybe 5 years back or 2 years back or maybe 6 months back. You need to remind yourself, why are you here? You like the pay of this particular company. Maybe that's why you took up the job. Maybe you like the kind of work that you will be doing here. Maybe you like the kind of environment that this company has. Maybe you like the kind of infrastructure this particular company has. You need to remind yourself, and you need to go back in time maybe and think about the time that you were, how happy you were when you got that particular offer letter. How happy you were when you learned about the fact that you were going to work with this particular company. So this kind of attitude, the attitude of having gratitude, is actually very, very helpful, very, very necessary, because if at all you start seeing the good side in every particular situation of your life, you will end up getting more and more good. You'll end up basically to attract more and more positive opportunities towards yourself, and that's how you'll be able to grow in your respective careers. So if you want to learn more about career building, you can always download the Financial Freedom app. The link of this app is provided in the description box, and along with that, we also have courses on personal finance, farming and business as well, so which are available in more than 6 languages and are available in like 55 plus different kind of courses. The link of this app is provided in the description box. Please do check it out as well, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well, so that you never miss an update from IndianMoney.com. My name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.